day, everybody. My name is Mr. Lawal Aziz Adeyinka, and I'll be your facilitator or your teacher for this video lesson. And this training is all about how to log in to the Sanni Luba College, Sanni Luba Schools virtual learning environment. You can call it virtual learning environment, VLE for short. You can call it e-portal. You can call it edu-portal. You can call it learning environment. Whichever names suits you, but I'll be making use of the virtual learning environment or the e-learning portal. It's training and subsequent trainings. All right, so let's log in. The first thing is to open your Chrome browser or your Microsoft Edge browser or any browser. All right, and once you are done, go to the URL and type in Sanni Luba Schools.com. Hit enter. All right, so in this training, I'm going to be showing you how to log in as a teacher. I'm going to be using my teacher's account. So you'll be seeing exactly what you will be seeing when you log in as a teacher. All right, so I'm going to be using my teacher login account. I'm going to be teaching you how to create your own course. For instance, if you are a physics teacher, how you can create a course physics and then include e-notes or learning materials for your students. They can have access to it anytime, any day, anywhere. You can use it to prepare for the exam. You can use it to prep for a future class. You can decide to flip your class. You send them materials ahead. They go through it. They do research, do whatever they want to do, and then when they come to class, it becomes student center. You get feedbacks from them. You can use it to administer assignments, tests, and whatever. All right, so I'm going to be guiding you on how to do all this. The video might be in parts, but let's see how far we can cover in this. All right, so at the top right corner of the screen, you will see your login. Click your login. This is the guest page. So when you click your login, enter your account. I'm going to be entering my teacher's account. The teacher. You can decide to check this if you are using your personal computer and you don't want to have to be entering the password over and over again. So this is my teacher's account. I can see here I have access to the course I've created, all my courses, my dashboard, every other thing here. All my courses will be listed. Then, so for me to create a course, I have to come to site administration, click on site administration, manage courses and categories. Now, I will see all my categories, GS1, GS2, GS3, SS1, that is split into science, art, and commercial. SS2 also split into science, art, and commercial. While here is my courses. Now, we do this once in a term, probably once you create that course for that term. That is all. You just keep uploading materials continuously without having to create this. Now, this is how to create a course. You come here, you click on create new courses. Create new course. Now, name your course. Physics. Let me use mathematics. Mathematics. Now, I'll use a short code here. I'll make use of MAMTH. Now, MTH, for instance, if I'm teaching, let's say JSS2, I can put it math JSS2, and this is the first term. So I can just make it 201. JSS2 first term. All right. Now, here, I will select the category I want it to be. Because it's for GSS2, I'll move to GS2 and click on GS2. That's the category is going to be under. Now, we have the course start date and the course end date. By default, the course is left open to end anytime you want it to end, or anytime you choose to delete it. But if you want to, you can set your course end date. But I would not recommend it because there are other things you need to do. So I'll scroll down here, come to course format, click on course format. Now, click on the course format. We have single activity, social format, topic format, weekly format. So I recommend you put it on weekly formats because you have 14 weeks. So you upload content per week. All right, so then change the number of your section. If you have 14 weeks, you put it 14. If you have 10 weeks, you put it 10. If you have 13 weeks, you put it 13. However, you can leave it at 4 and then increase it as the time goes, as you deem fit. So once you are done with this, the date will, the course end date will be disabled. All right, so you just scroll down here to the bottom. Now, there are other things here. You can explore it if you want to. Your hidden courses are shown on collapse form and all that. Course layout, all section on one page. You can put it in different pages, but I would not recommend that. A student will have to be going to next page to view other content, which is not recommended, which will be strenuous and they might even miss it out. You can force language if you are in a country where you speak other languages. This software is made for over 100 languages. So select the language. Maximum file upload, leave it at 1 GB. Completion tracking, enable completion tracking is by default yes, because the reason is because if students want to, you can track if a child has finished going through your material. So it's left at yes. Show activity completion condition, yes. All right, and so on. All this group, just leave everything here the way it is. The recommended settings, that's fine. So you click on save and display. Now, if you click on save and return, it comes back here. Perhaps you are still editing. But if you click on save and display, it shows up here like this. Now you see all the weeks that you have created. It comes up like this. All right. So the next thing you might want to do as a teacher is to enroll participants. Participants are students that are going to have access or be able to view this. And trust me, any class you enroll would be those that will have access to it. If the child is not enrolled, he or she will not have access to the courses. All right, so you come up here, you click on participants. It takes you to where you enroll. As at now, I'm the only one that has been enrolled for this course. So let's say I want to enroll my student account. So you click on enroll top here. It's also below here, down below here. So I'll click on enroll users. Now this drop down comes up. And you have 3 sections here. The first section says select users. So here you have to be typing the names of the students. You see too many users that is greater than 100 to show. What is asking you is to type the name of the student you want. Let's say, for instance, let me look at my student account, Yinka, or the Yinka pops up. So I will enroll Yinka student, see Oyin Consola, Adeyinka Dewale, Oyin Consola. So anything that is related to Yinka will come up. So I want to enroll this as a student. Now, this is really not the best practice to enroll students. The best practice is to enroll by what we call cohorts. Students have been grouped into cohorts. So now cohort means like a class or stream. Some are class, some are stream based. All right, so if you click here, because they are not quite much to show, you have GSS1. So if I click on this, I'm automatically enrolling all students in GSS1. Click on GS2, I'm adding GSS2 to it. I click on Nursery 1, I'm adding Nursery 1. I scroll down, you can see reception, science, art, SS1, SS2. You can even enroll teachers. Enroll as many as you want. You can enroll the whole school. So you can delete if you mistakenly click on section you don't want to be there. So for this, let me leave it at Nursery 1 alone. Now, this section shows the assigned roles. They are all enrolled as students. There are other roles. We have teacher role, we have non-editing teacher. Now, the non-editing teacher means you are enrolling a teacher, but you are not giving that teacher the privilege to have access to edit or alter your content. If you enroll a teacher as a teacher, that teacher has equal role as you that created that course. So the teacher can also make adjustment, can enroll, can edit the course, can upload courses, can upload material, can assign activities and resources. We have what we call activities and resources. I'll be looking at it very soon. So that is that. So I'll leave it as students. Enrolling a teacher is also important in the case where you want another teacher to stand in your place or in your stead. For instance, you are quite busy. You want the teacher to be able to do whatever you are doing while you are busy doing other things. So you can enroll a co-editing teacher, or perhaps you are more than one. You are two teaching a particular subject or a particular class. You can enroll yourselves as teachers so that either of you can have access to editing it. All right, so once I'm done with this, I will click on enroll selected users and cohorts. It's something I need to point out at this point that almost skipped my mind. You cannot select teacher and student and enroll them together. You have to first enroll all the students and then click on enroll users again, and then enroll teachers or any other roles you want to assign. Now I've clicked on enroll selected users. It will load 32 enrolled users, as you can see here. Then if you scroll down, you will see all the students that have been enrolled. All of them have access to this course that I've created, or that we're about to create. Now, once you are done, you come to math. You come back to math 201 here, where you are about to upload your content. Now, very simple. For you to upload content, it's in 2 ways. The first thing that you must do as a teacher is to first turn on this editing. Editing is a security button that allows you to hide editing mode. The editing mode is where you can add activities and resources, and then you can edit this page as it is. Since I don't like this October 20th to 21, it is my week 1. I just click here and change it to week 1. And if I want to add the topic for that week 1, for instance, revision, I'll hit enter once I'm done. If you click out, it will not affect the changes. But if you hit enter, it will affect the changes. And I want to change this week 2. Now, if you don't upload any content, the student will not be seeing it. If you upload content, they'll be seeing it. So remain hidden. All right. So you can edit every other aspect. Once you are done, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Your midterm break can also be counted as a week if you want to give an assignment for that particular week. You know that you can name it midterm break. For instance, if my week 7 is midterm break, I can just I can even make it midterm break. For me to properly identify the assignment I was given on that particular day. All right, so having done this, the next thing is to start uploading your content. Now, there are 2 ways principally to upload a file. Now, if your document or your e-notes or your course material is in a PDF format or in a Microsoft Word format or in an Excel format or in a PowerPoint format, you can just drag and drop it. Now at this announcement page or this blank page here, you can upload your timetable, your what have you, it's called course outlines, your course outline, your curriculum, whatever you're going to teach for the term, you can upload it here. While every other part you upload what you want to. Now, 2 ways to upload. Let me see if let me just check my documents. Sort by, okay, I have some. You want to upload now. We have some documents you want to upload now. Perhaps I've created a note I want to enroll, and I've already enrolled the students. What I will just do is I'll come here. Like for instance, I want to upload this. I just drag this and drop it here. Once I drop this here, allow it to roll and load. Now I've dropped it and it's a PDF file. Now what this means is that the student automatically have access to it now. They can access it now as it is. Once they log into their website, to their e-learning portal, they can have access to it. Let's see another file format. Let me see. Okay, Excel. Let me Excel. You can also upload an Excel. Shows like this. Let's see another file format. Microsoft Word. All right, you can bring in this. Let me just try this. Let me say I want to put this in with 2. I'll come to with 2. I'll drop it. So it takes Microsoft Word. Let's see. Notebook. Let me try this. Okay, it's uploaded as well. Let me see another format. Okay, we do have PowerPoint here. Try this video. What do you want to do with the file? Add media to course page. Create file resources. Okay, so it's file resources that I'm creating. Let me try that. So this is the first method, which is the shortest and simplest method to upload any given file. The second method, which is not easy as this, but then it is also worth exploring because it gives you access to everything that you can do as a teacher within the environment, is to come here, click on add activities and resources. I told us we have activities and resources. Now, activities are components or tools that the children interact with. Like for instance, you can give an assignment here. Now, what they do with the assignment is that they read the assignment. They have 2 options, whichever way you set it. You can set it for the students to just type in the answers in a text web text space that will be provided for them on the platform. They will type the answer there. You can make it in such a way that the student will upload a file. They will do it on Microsoft Word or do it on PowerPoint presentation, and then they will upload it. It can be in that format. And then it can be both. You can combine both methods. Now we have charts. Chart, you can set up a chart where you time it. Okay, let's meet at so time on the e-learning platform and chat. We can discuss. This choice is used for polls, where you carry out a survey or poll. You want them to choose, like a voting. So, and we have a lot of them. We have forums. Forum is quite interesting too. It's like a forum where, like in Naira Land, if you use Naira Land as an example of a forum, where you put up a topic for discussion, students start hearing their views. Depending on how you set it, you can set it where students can put up a topic as well for discussion. You can set it where only you can put up a topic and the student discuss about it. And you can, it has different ways. Then we have the quiz. The quiz is used basically for CBT, computer-based testing. And the interesting thing about this quiz is that you can set different kinds of quiz, about 15 different type of quiz, like matching the question, matching text, matching images, multiple choice, true, false, using mathematical formulas and all that, where you can change variables and, like so on and so forth. So basically, activities are tools that students interact with, while resources are the ones they don't interact with. For instance, we have books, we have files, we have folders, we have labels, page, URL. Let me explain file. File is the one we did, the drag and drop we did earlier on. Where you just drag a file and you drop it. what this does is that it allows the students to download it and they read it offline. So they don't have to necessarily be online to go through whatever file that you have uploaded. Once they click on it, it downloads to their mobile devices or their laptops, and then they read it up on their own. Now, page. Page is like a website page. When I say website page, it's like a web page where you put up, you put up your writing, your resources there. You can embed images to it. You can embed video to it. You can record sound to it. You can add anything on a web page to it. You can add in multimedia. You can also add a link to other sites to it. You can attach a link to other files to it. That's the page. Then book is a combination of several pages. Several pages. The difference between a book and a page is that number one, book is a combination of several pages. Number two is that book has chapters. You can go to next chapter. It has table of contents. It has table of content. You can go to next chapter and all that. So, and then URL. You can just you use this to upload URL for the student to view. So basically, resources the students don't. They only access it. They don't interact with it. They don't type back. They don't give feedback. They don't do anything. So now to upload a file, just like we did the other time, click on file. Click on file. Give your file a name. For instance, week 2 lesson. You have it on PDF already. You can describe it further, and then here you attach your page. You can also drag and drop here, or you can click here. If you are using a mobile phone, you might not be able to drag and drop, so you click on that. Then you go down to upload a file. Choose your file. Say my file is my documents. So I've uploaded this. And then once you are done, click on upload this file. Now, the beauty of uploading digital content is that once it is there, it is there. Next session is there. Next term is there. Anytime you want to reuse it, it's there. You can reuse it, you can reassign to other students. All right, so once we are done, you scroll down, click save and display. So my file is there. Enter. Go back to this page 201. I will see my uploaded file. I uploaded it here. It's okay, with 2 lessons, this is it. Now the video has been uploaded, has successfully uploaded. Successfully uploaded. I'm trying to click on it. Close up the page and play.
Now you can enjoy the relaxing and relieving benefits of deep tissue massage right in your own home with the high-impact cordless muscle massager. Using the well-known techniques of percussive massage, the revolutionary high-impact.
So, but there are better ways to upload videos, and I will show us in the next subsequent trainings. So this is how to upload. Now to create a page, that's simple. Come to activities and resources. Click on activities and resources. You can look for it here. You can click on resources and click page. If you under all, come to P, arrange in alphabetical order. Page, you click on page. Page is similar to that of book. The only difference is that you upload for chapter 1, you upload for chapter 2, you upload for chapter 3, and all that. So you give your page a name. topic, describe it, then you start entering your content. You can copy your content online. Let's say you're talking about osmosis. Or if you have it on Microsoft Word, wherever you have it, you can just copy it there. Just click here. Yes. Insert video. You can insert YouTube video, for instance. YouTube, and I want something on osmosis. Like I told you, you can like this video now. I can click on this and just copy this link.
This is Joe.
Then I come here. I can embed as a video. See, insert or edit audio video. Here you can insert images. Do that. Okay, this is a video link. Put the video link here. Then I can set my aspect ratio. Let me say I want it bigger, 700 by 500 pixel. And that's more insert. So this is my video. You can continue. And add a picture. Last, let's see. Okay, I want to add this picture. Copy images. Paste. Wow, it's pasting. All right, so you can paste the image like that from websites online. So I just Control C, Control V. That's I pasted the image that I copied online. So you can add image, you can record video and all that. Copy. Just right click, paste. And then I'll paste it there. So once I'm done, let me save and display how, see how it will look like. All right, so this is how it will look like. You have your video here. And you have your images, you have everything that you have copied from the textbooks or from online. Supposed to play. All right, so we are going to view this as a student and see how I'm going to see it as a student in the video for the students. So once I'm done, come back to the home here. I can see everything that I have done. Where's the week? Okay, that's with 3 lessons. This is a page. So, and if you want to delete peradventure, or let me show you how to move. For instance, this is not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be down. Drag it. Move it to 1, or you can even delete it. You can click on edit here. Another thing you can do is you can hide it. For instance, I can upload for week 1 to 14 all my course for the term. and I don't want the student to see them, I'll just come to the top head of this week. I will hide it. You won't see anything in week 2. I'll come to week 3, edit, hide. Week 4, hide. So you can hide all. So you see hidden from students. So you can't see anything here. I'll just leave this to show. So once it's week 2, I can decide to show week 2, and they have access to week 1 and week 2. So those are things that you can do. There are so many other things that you can do as a teacher, but with time we'll be unveiling them. So it's a wonderful learning platform. If you put time into it, you will do a lot, and it will save you a lot, and it will help you in your future classes. By the time you are using this content, you can upload it from here. You can download whatever you have uploaded. You can view it on mobile phones. You can view it on your tablets. You can view it on your laptops, any laptop, whether it be Windows, Mac, or Apple, or whatever. So it's a wonderful web platform, and this is where I'm going to be ending the teaching for today. I hope this has been informative, and I'd like to thank you